Hi guys, welcome to Gray Lab Tutorials. Do subscribe and share if you find this tutorial is helpful. Today, I would like to show you the new features in Adobe Photoshop called Mural Filter. Mural Filter is still in the beta version, but it does a very good job in terms of helping you change the model expression, the lighting and head position. It even can help to turn the black and white photo into a color photo with just one click. See, you can now choose how exciting you want your model to be. Quite amazing. You can even make her look older. Turning her head. Readjust the lighting. And adding color in a black and white photo. That's all for now. Hope this tutorial can help you to improve yourself. Do subscribe and likes if you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.